Hello everyone. I'm using my Teexpert Fast Cure again, and right now I'm just mixing up 40 milliliters, and then what I'm going to do is add some neon blue powder by Glitz resin, and I'm going to stir that in, and I do wipe it on a paper towel, and I wanted it a little bit darker, so I added a little bit more. And I did find with this color, and I don't know why, the other colors didn't do it, but the blue had some chunks in it. I don't know why it did that, but even when I tried mixing it into the UV resin, as you'll see later, it still had like chunks in it. Very weird. Anyway, I pour this into this coaster mold and I'm gonna let it cure. I was trying to pull out some of those clumps that were not clumps, but they were like specks of mica, like chunks of mica powder that just never mixed in. So I hit it with the heat gun, and then I let it cure, and then now I'm putting my witch on, and I wanted the broom to look like it was flying, like she was going super fast. So now I'm just working on creating the witch, and I decided to go with the green face. And now the hat, and I'll just let you watch because you can see what's happening. Don't you just love that red hair I gave her? I wish that I would have used all neons, glow-in-the-darks for the witch, but I wasn't sure if it would work with I was afraid the mica powder would make it not cure, would make the UV resin not cure, but I ended up making moons and stars with it, with UV resin, and it worked. So I know if I wanted to do this again, I might do it with the neons, but it still turns out super cute. And like, I'm no artist here with glitter and UV resin, but it was a lot of fun making her. So her legs flying upwards, and it didn't turn out quite the way I was thinking of it in my head, but because her legs are a little funky. But so fun and so cute just to sit and play and create something. And so now here's when I create these stars and moons with the UV resin, so it does work. And the blue star moon had little chunks in it too, even mixed with the UV resin, so I don't know what's up with the blue. The other colors didn't do that to me. So now I put these little eyelets into the bottom of the coaster, and then I'm using beading wire. It's sitting there on the right, and some UV resin, and I attach the beading wire first, and then I attach the little pieces with some UV resin, and it worked out really well. So that's what I'm doing here, just attaching all 3 strings. So now I attached a magnet, a pretty strong magnet, on the back of it. And then I actually put a little bit of UV resin on the eyelets. And I'll show it to you hanging on my fridge. It's super cute. I'm really happy with it. Hopefully I'll turn a black light on here and show it to you under the black light. See those chunks in the blue? I don't know why it did that. I had a little bit of difficulty getting her legs right, but super cute. Here she is. She was flying at the speed of light. Her legs flying up in the air. Her hat's flying off. Oh, it was fun. I had so much fun doing this. It's so much fun to just create something that you're just playing and having fun with. And I hope you guys like her. And I hope you get creative and try to do something similar. And let me know if you do. Tell me what you think in them comments down below. I appreciate everybody being here. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. A happy Halloween.